Hello all, welcome back to my channel again. So in case if you are wondering where we are heading to Kumarakam from Varkala. So we are on day 3 of our ride. So totally it's 4 days ride guys. So we are in second half of our ride. So on day 1 we covered from Chennai to Rameshwaram and then Dhanushkodi. We stayed in Ramnath for that night. It was around 600 plus kilometers. On day 2 we covered Ramnath to Kanyakumari and then to Varkala. It was around 400 kilometers. I have put the vlog for both the rides on my channel. In case if you are not checked out, do check it out. Do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for instant notification whenever I upload a new video. So day 3 is just 130 kilometers. There's no hurry. Hardly it's going to take only 4 hours max. We had an amazing evening yesterday in Varkala. We got up around 8 o'clock in the morning. Then we started around 9 o'clock. So there's no much plans in Kumarakam till now. We just wanted to chill out. We have booked a room just next to the backwaters, which you'll be seeing later part of this video. The roads are very good, decent, except these kind of riders. Of course, they are everywhere, no side mirror, no indicators, nothing. This is what I was talking about. The roads are good, it's green everywhere. That's why I love riding in Kerala, guys. To say in Malayalam, there is a word Adipoli. Adipoli roads till now. I'm not sure road conditions in other parts of Kerala, but as far as I have driven in this ride, roads are amazing. So we just thought to have breakfast somewhere and then start again because we plan to reach the resort by around 1:30 for lunch. So we had a breakfast in a roadside shop. Not a great hotel, but food was decent enough to quench our hunger. Then we started back again. And one more thing about this route is, guys, this road has a lot of speed traps. In case if you get inspired a lot by the roads and if you are going to do high speeds, be ready to pay a fine. I think we got caught in a couple of speed traps. If the camera flashed, actually it's an electronic speed trap, so the camera flashed twice, but I'm not sure what will be the impact. Let's see. And then we stopped for a small refreshment break, then we started again.
பொசிஷன் மாற்ற வேணாம். யார் யார் எப்படி பிரிண்ட் பண்ணுறது?
லெமன் டெய்லில் வரட்டும். நீ மூணாவது வா, அஸ்வின் ரெண்டாவது. சொல்கிறேன் வேண்டாம்.
There was a slight confusion in the ordering. So whenever you are on a group ride, always give positions to your riders. So in case of 6 people are going, give positions for individual members so that whenever if somebody is missing, it will be easy for you to identify because you know the pattern, like who is at which position. It becomes easy as you progress along the ride. So after riding around 2.5 hours, reached this amazing place, guys. Just look at the view. Paddy feels still the last of your eyesight, you know. Amazing, guys. We stopped here for a photo shoot. We hardly spent around 15 to 20 minutes. It was around afternoon, but it was not hot. As I said before, the climate was good. So we spent some time and then we started back. Let me tell you why we chose Kumarakam, because I have already been to Alappuzha. So when we came for a ride like a couple of years back, so we took this route from Coimbatore, Thrissur. We stayed in Thrissur for one night, and from there we came to Alappuzha. We spent one night in Alappuzha boat house. I just love the backwaters, guys, so I wanted to stay in backwaters again. So this time we didn't want to stay in boat house. Also, since we have been to Alappuzha before, I just wanted to try the different locations around that place. We thought we will go to Kottayam and then finalized Kumarakam later. So Kumarakam is just opposite to Alappuzha, maybe the other shore of the backwaters we can say. So one more reason why we chose Kumarakam is like from Alappuzha to Kumuli, the guard section is amazing. So I wanted to do the guard section again, so that's the reason we chose Kumarakam. So that we'll be seeing in next vlog. So finally we have reached Kumarakam. You can see the backwaters starting from here. The roads are getting narrow. Actually this place has a lot of small water channels. So the Google was actually taking us next to the backwaters, so I thought that it's going to be amazing. So we'll be reaching the resort soon, but one crazy thing happened. I've chosen bike option in the Google Maps search. So whenever you go to an unknown place, always choose the car option while we look for the map, guys. If you choose bike, you'll end up like these kind of nasty roads. So we are going around for 20 minutes round and round in the same place, and then finally reach the main road. I've cut those portion actually. It was crazy, guys, trust me. Always choose car option when you navigate using Google Maps, so that it will take you to better roads and broader roads. After quite a lot of struggle, finally we found the resort. You can see the name board over there. So finally we reached around 2 o'clock. We checked in, we had our lunch. The rooms were amazing, the food was amazing, no complaints. Let me take you through the resort. This is not kind of a paid promotion or nothing, guys. When there is something good, it's good to praise. So we have a basketball court, we have a shuttlecock court over there. There is a small garden here outside, and then they grow honey over here. If you see the boxes above, so those are all honeybees. So I saw them cultivating them directly. They were taking out honey when we checked in the hotel. It was a nice experience. This is a reception area. So there's a lot of garden here, so full of trees, so you don't feel the heat at any time. On left is the dining area. It has an attached kitchen. So there are few rooms which doesn't have lake facing facilities, so people who can compromise on that, they are a little bit cheaper than the lake facing rooms. So we specifically wanted the lake facing rooms, so we got the lakeside rooms. So this is the backwater view, guys, just amazing. The rooms are right next to the backwaters. The feel you get when you stand here, it cannot be explained, it can only be felt. So the last room is ours, that's where we are staying. So we booked a boat for a couple of hours, 1,600 for a couple of hours. Had an amazing evening, guys, just chilling out. This is one of the must visit place if you're coming to Kerala. Thank you so much for watching the video. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you.